Hi everybody, it's Amanda with Hudson Valley Soapery. In this video I'm going to tell you why I don't use poppy seeds in my watermelon soap. So while I tell you I'm going to be making my next batch of watermelon soap. Okay, back to the poppy seeds. We all know poppy seeds can be very abrasive, and I generally will only use poppy seeds if I'm making a gardener's hand soaps or something for really dirty hands, like a working person's soap. So my last few farmers markets that I did have my watermelon soap for sale without poppy seeds, I noticed that it was families coming into the booth with children who were buying the majority of the watermelon soap. It was the kids, because of the way it looks and the way it smells, and it's summer and it's fun. The kids were picking that soap. And because of the abrasiveness of poppy seeds in soap, that could be really not dangerous, but harmful to the skin of a child. Children's skin is just much more delicate than adult skin, and the abrasiveness of the poppy seeds will scratch the surface of a child's skin, and we don't want that. So I am going to finish up pouring my batter here, and I'll show you how I do my watermelon seeds. There's two versions of the way that I do my seeds that you can choose to do. Let's just get the batter in here. And you'll see my squeeze bottle right above my loaf mold. I have prepared some extra batter in that squeeze bottle with cocoa powder. It gives the perfect nice coloring because it's not black and it's not a light brown, but it's a nice deep brown. And for me, it mimics the color of watermelon seeds quite well. So I'm just finishing up the top here, and let's get to work. So all I do is squeeze on my seeds. Now, this time that I made it, it wasn't as good as my first time, but you just put a little bit more pressure when you're squeezing it first, and then you lift off on the pressure as you're ending, and it creates a nice seed shape. You can also practice this on wax paper and let them dry, peel them off, and use it as an embed on top if you wanted to really perfect each seed. But of course, I'm just going to be cutting these, and they blend quite nicely. And it still looks like watermelon soap without poppy seeds. And you get to be a little bit more creative with creating your seeds on top. All right, I'll let you watch the end. I'm going to cut the soap in a few minutes. I always C-pop my soap, which means I put it in the oven at 170, turn the oven off, and let it sit for at least an hour. And I take it out, let it cool down. And with this recipe, I am able to cut in the same day. And I will leave the recipe below for you as well in the description. Thanks for watching.